This batch looks excellent. No visible damage on this one.
Agreed. Ensure they are stacked carefully for transport to the next stage.
Finally, the fully washed watermelons reach the end of the conveyor belt, ready for cutting and juice extraction.
Valve 7 is still reading low pressure. Open it further.
Opening now. Watch the tank level.
Levels are steady. Keep it moving. Viscosity reading is low, increasing the flow rate.
We need to adjust the pressure now.
Pressure stabilized. Monitor consistency.